Welcome to XJet Sensational series. My name is Rafi Greenwald, and as you can see, I'm doing this video from home due to the corona outbreak. In this video, I shall refer to the hearing and its relations to one of the most important features of XJet technology, the geometrical complexity and production capabilities. What you see here is an homage that we have designed. The actual earbuds are from a leading brand which had to design a unique earbud while the ceramic part is in the inner structure. Its special complex design creates an amazing sound quality and experience. This is probably the first ceramic consumer goods part manufactured in serial production. Not a prototype anymore, not a short run. No customization or personalization were done to the part. Production, pure production. The customer produced thousands of ceramic parts in a very short time. The capability to produce repetitive parts with a high complexity in short time, this is what XJet NPJ technology is all about. Thanks! Keep safe those days and enjoy the next video.